High above the city, the waterfront slowly comes to life, where the wide river flows calmly through the heart of the landscape. From the sky, the harbor stretches out in every direction. Ships moving steadily across the water, bridges connecting the busy city, and long docks reaching into the river. The gentle motion of the water reflects the light of the sky, creating a shimmering path that guides the eye along the river's journey. Historic buildings stand proudly beside modern architecture, showing the story of a city shaped by trade, travel, and the sea. As the aerial view continues, the river curves gracefully toward the horizon, carrying with it the rhythm and energy of the waterfront. In this peaceful moment above the city, the movement of ships, the quiet flow of water, and the beauty of the skyline blend together in perfect harmony. A place where the river meets the city, and every view from above tells a story.